it can't be washed away by rain, but I've learned the truth out on the road. Family is more than blood alone, 'cause I've been lifted when I fell by hands I never knew that well, and hearts that chose to stand their ground. That's where my home is found. Blood may bind, but love won't hide. It's the fire that burns through the mountainside. It's not who you're born to, it's who shows up when the nights get cold and the road gets rough. Yeah, the ties we make, the ones we trust, they're stronger, stronger than blood. I've seen brothers walk away and cry, and strangers stay when hope had died. It ain't about the same last name, it's who's there when you're down in pain. The ones who see the worst in you and still believe you'll make it through. They don't know you, but they care. You can't fake what's real like that anywhere. Blood may bind, but love don't hide. It's the fire that burns free mountainside. It's not who you're born to, it's who shows up when the nights get cold and the road gets rough. Yeah, the ties we make, the ones we trust, they're stronger, stronger than blood. When the world falls down and you're losing ground, you'll see who's standing close around. It's the ones who stay, not the ones who should. That's how you know who's truly good. Blood may be thicker, but love won't hide. Through the hearts that choose to intertwine, it's not the name, it's the soul that shows